Hi Drive Depth fans! Today we're diving into Toyota's next electric marvel, the all-new 2026 Toyota CHR, reborn as a fully electric SUV. Buckle up, let's start with the bones. Built on Toyota's advanced ETNGA platform, shared with the bZ4X and Subaru Solterra, the CHR delivers a sporty ride with a low center of gravity and agile handling. Toyota tuned its suspension and anti-roll bars for a firmer, more performance-oriented feel compared to its electric siblings. Under the hood, we get a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup pumping out 338 horsepower. That means a sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 5 seconds, serious punch for this size of crossover. That's nearly double the power of the old gas-only CHR. Power comes from a 74.7 kWh lithium-ion battery, giving an estimated 290 miles per charge under EPA testing. And refueling, fast. With a North American Charging Standard (NACS) port, you can recharge from 10% to 80% in roughly 30 minutes on DC fast chargers. There's even battery preconditioning to optimize charging in cooler climates. For home charging, an 11 kilowatts onboard AC charger gets you on the go quicker. Let's talk design. The new CHR is sharper, more angular and expressive, with slimmer LED lights, bold creases, and a coupe-like roofline. It's available in vibrant two-tone paint options, pairing contrasting roof colors like black with tandoori or cement finishes. At about 180 inches long, only slightly smaller than a RAV4, it's a compact package with decent space. Cargo room sits at 25.4 cubic feet behind the rear seats, which fold flat to maximize storage. Inside is a tech-rich, upscale environment, a digital instrument cluster tucked above the dash, and a floating 14-inch touchscreen infotainment center with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Qi wireless charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, and JBL audio in higher trims. XSE trims add more luxury such as synthetic suede upholstered seats with memory, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, digital rear view mirror, 360-degree cameras, and Toyota's traffic jam assist. Safety is handled via Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 as standard, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise with lane centering, lane keep assist, blind spot and rear cross traffic alerts, and more. It also includes a 5-year trial of remote connectivity, SOS, stolen vehicle locator, and over-the-air updates. The trim levels divide into SE and XSE. SE clocks in with heated front seats and steering wheel, 18-inch wheels, power tailgate, dual wireless charging pads, and rain-sensing wipers. XSE adds 20-inch wheels, two-tone paint, premium upholstery, driver memory seats, JBL system, nano coating, 360-degree camera, digital mirror, and low-speed autonomous assistance. Why does it matter? The new CHR brings Toyota deeper into the EV mainstream with a compelling package, sharp styling, engaging performance, long range, decent charging speed and top-tier safety. It fills a spot below the bZ4X, potentially reaching lower price brackets. If pricing lands in the $38 to $45K range, it will rival SUVs like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, VW ID.4, Nissan Ariya, and Chevy Equinox EV. Let's recap key specs. Powertrain 3712-1, dual motor AWD, 338 horsepower, approximately 5S0 to 60 mph. Battery, 74.7 kilowatt-hours. Range, approximately 290 miles EPA. Charging, NACS DC fast, 10-80% approximately equals 30 minutes, 11 kilowatts AC onboard. Suspension, sport-tuned geometry. Cargo, 25.4 cubic feet, seats up with 60/40 split folding. Infotainment, 14-inch screen, wireless Apple, Xiaomi Auto, JBL option. Safety, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, traffic jam assist, blind spot, digital mirror. What could be improved? While no official price yet, Toyota's goal is a more affordable EV. If it lands in the low $30,000 range, it could shake up the market. A heat pump might also improve cold weather range, which hasn't been confirmed. In summary, the 2026 Toyota CHR EV delivers style, strength, and substance, and marks a strategic pivot for Toyota into accessible electric SUVs. Whether it's affordable enough to break sales records will be the big question, but on paper it checks all the boxes. That's a wrap. If you want me to break down performance, pricing analysis, or compare with rival EVs next time, hit like, subscribe, and drop your ideas in the comments. Thanks for riding with Drive Depth. Catch you in the next deep dive.